All right. Tilt, tilt, tilt. On your side facing me. Relax the shoulder back, let it go, let it go. Good. Same thing other side. Scoot a little bit more toward you. There you go. Stay right there. Give me this hand. Like that. There you go. Good. Go ahead and go face down. Relax your hands down. Good. Good. So now, there you go.